everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be redecorating the backyard, and as you can see we have the umbrella from I believe a couple months ago, and we're gonna get rid of it. We're gonna put something new and fresh, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Well, not for my husband, but for me it is because I get to decorate. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm actually gonna be giving this away to my mom, so she's gonna enjoy it. And this umbrella, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna link it down below. It is from Abba Patio, and the one that I'm putting on is again from Abba Patio as well. Everything is going to be in the description box. I'm also going to link the video to this decorate with me when I installed, or when my husband installed this umbrella out here. If you want to see it, it's going to be in the description box. What I love the most about this umbrella is the light that it has at night. Oh, it's so pretty, but I'm excited about the new one. To the baby. Say hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
No.
You're gonna put these right here.
No.
Just leave them, Leo.
Wow.
Super.
Say hi. They're nice. Oh, look, it's mommy, daddy, and baby.
Let me go put him in. Oh, he's getting down. Here, let's go put him in the front yard. Wow, look at that.
What do you think, Leo?
Don't touch. Just look. All right, let's go put him in their new home.
Bosa.
Let's go say goodbye to him. Come on.
There's a bunny, Leo. Go say hi to the bunny.
There he goes. There he goes. Leo, no. You get him right. There's that one.
Mommy.
Bunny all gone.
Look, Leo. All the snails are gone. We're putting them in their new home. Look at the babies. This is the big one. Look, ready? There he is. There he goes. Give it to Mama.
Be nice, Leo.
The D-box. The D-box. Oh, Leo.
Wow, Leo, you are so strong.
Watch out. Yeah, watch out.
Stuck.
You're stuck, huh?
Oh, this is beautiful. I love the color, and I know the quality is going to be amazing, just like the other umbrella was. So thank you so much to Abba Patio for partnering up with me for this video. Okay, so this is what we got. My handsome husband is working on it. And it looks, we put the lights and everything else, it's gonna look so nice. Leo, thank you so much for building the gazebo for me. So my husband is putting the nets on, and this is what I'm gonna go for, the look. So pretty.
Really?
the chandelier. I'm about to put some light bulbs on it. Okay, you guys, so this is where I'm at. As you can see down here, I do not have a rug. Oh, it's kind of hard to pick it up. It's really sunny. But I got one the other day from Target. I showed you guys these cushions the other day on a home decor haul. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them as chair pads or just cushions, but we're going to play around with it and then we'll figure it out. And this is the rug. I will link it down below if it's still available. If not, I will link something similar. The size for this rug is 7 by 10. And what I loved about it was that it is for the outdoors. Unlike last year that I used something that was not for out here, I'm actually using it in the garage now. The patterns that I chose for this rug are so pretty. So let me open it up so that you guys can see it. Check out the print. Oh my god, I'm loving it. It's even better than I remembered. Let me open it up. Oh my god, it's gonna look so gorgeous. I'm going to keep it very simple because I feel like the more I do, it's gonna look like there's a lot of clutter back here, and I want people to feel invited. So we're gonna keep it very minimalistic. This looks so pretty, very feminine. I don't want the kids to be back here because I feel like they're gonna mess it up. But this is definitely for the outdoors, so even if it rains, it's not gonna get destroyed or damaged, so that's a good thing. And the pattern, Rosa was saying that it's really out of my comfort zone, but actually it's not. It's something that I really liked, and I've been wanting to do inside the house, but I was kind of scared of doing it. But when I saw this rug, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. It's gonna flow beautifully with the cushions that I got. What I'm gonna do next is take the cushions and wash them, try to get those marks off, because as you can see, it got dirty with the kids. White or cream will not last. I'm not gonna get rid of them. All I'm gonna do is wash the covers because they do have a zipper, as you can see right here, and that allows me to take it off, wash it, and make it look white again. I don't know what you ladies think, but I am loving this whole setup. The rug ties so beautifully with the dining set and the chandelier. Just wait until you see this place at night. Alright, so the next step is going to be the cushions. We're going to replace them, and I'm going to wash these ones because they are kind of dirty. One thing I do want to mention is that you can smell the rug that is new. And for some reason, you can really smell it a lot. I love the way it smells. Maybe because of the way this canopy is made, it keeps the odors in, which I love because I know if I have a candle, the smell is gonna stay in here for a long time. Also, you guys, I am a little sick, so bear with me if I sound kind of funky. It's because I just took some NyQuil. My throat is hurting so much, but I'm still gonna push through and finish this video today. So this was my initial idea to do with this cushions, but as I'm playing around with this decor, I feel like if I just do it like this, it looks better, and that way I can wash this ones, and in the future, of course, I can do this setup, but for now we're gonna stick to this. It is coming together. Now I added some flowers to the table, and they're very pretty. So let's continue to see what I can add into this place.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
I was debating whether if I should use the table runner or not, and I found this one upstairs. I got this from HomeGoods, and it is velvety. Let's take it out there and see if it works out. This is what I got going on. Very romantic. And I'm going to put all the candles on at night so that you guys can see it. This is going to look so stunning. And this is what we got. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. I feel like it's for like a wedding. Like the whole setup. It is gorgeous. And this is a final look. I almost forgot to show you guys the plates that I got the other day from Target and also HomeGoods. Just like a simple little table set or dining set. And they are plastic, so that's one thing I love about them. This is perfect for salads or soups when you come out here. And also back here. And once again, thank you so much to Abba Patio for partnering up with me on this video and for sending me this beautiful canopy slash gazebo. What I loved about this canopy is that you can actually undo this, and the net, you can zip it up with the other side back there, and this whole area becomes closed, so there are no mosquitoes that will go in here. And over here we have this little area that I created to be another spot where we can relax and enjoy those summer nights that are coming our way. I added some pillows, a little throw, and we can adjust this thing on the top. You can make it higher or lower depending on how sunny the day is. And at night, you can definitely see the stars from here. If you guys are interested in any of the items that I show in this video, be sure to check out the description box. I will link everything down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!